Sige, mag-play na mi guys. Sige. My name is Bubblegum. What is your name?
Unicorn.
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 And this is Daddy. Daddy is a stick. Pangit ito. Sige. Pangit to si Daddy. Hi, Unicorn. Good morning. Ay, sadad ka nag-record ko. Sige, good morning, Unicorn.
Morning, Daddy.
Hindi mong gugutae.
Morning, Bubblegum.
Okay. Where are you going today?
To the grave.
Grave!
Yeah, I want to die.
Don't die, Bubblegum.
I'm not.
Don't die, Unicorn. Don't die. Ah. Hug, Unicorn, hug. Give me a hug. Ah. Too tight hug. Tang tadadang. Let them stand. Then they are drunk. Okay, leave them. Ah! Look what can I do with my hands. Look. Is that your leg? Is that your leg? My hands, look. And my legs, look. Look at my legs.
You're supposed to stretch it, you know.
Really?
Yeah. That's what.
You know what? Before we don't have this game toy man good or toy in Philippines before. It's just doll, plastic doll with everything in it. Na clothes, shoes.
I don't care.
Come here, Bubblegum. Bubblegum. Unicorn. What happened to your tooth? Why you are pangag?
Because I chopped my teeth out because I didn't like it.
Why you have that horn in your head? Look.
Well, you have one too.
We are the same.
Because we're magic. We're magical. We're
Is
unicorns.
it?
That's why we
Ah.
have the ears, because we're unicorns.
Can I pull my ears? Ah, my hair. No, it's not. It's only the hands. Look, it's a stretchy toy. And it's a stretchy leg. Look.
They're like liquid. There's like stuff inside it.
And the other one, there's water in it. Look. Ta-da! What his name? Her name? Her name.
Electric
Water fun. Her name is Water Fun because there's water inside. Look.
And there's also like electric in it.
Electric what?
Oh, this bit's bumpy.
What is this electric? An electric kid.
No, she's called waterproof electric because she's got like waterproof electric.
Ah, okay. And this is bubble gum.
This one's unicorn.
And this is unicorn. No. Get the nail cutter. Cut your nails. Dali. Okay, mura to. Ay, nag-play na me. Oh, nag-play na me. Ah, nag-play na me.